Lagay mo sa caption, face reveal.
Okay, guys. Face reveal. Best friend ko. Ganda niya, di ba? Okay. Tara na, guys. Mag-gloves na kami. Part 2 naman to, guys, ha? Part 2. Okay. Nandito na kami. Anong lalaroin, Besh? Join kita?
Wala, join ko lang.
Okay. I didn't expect that you will call again. Okay. Teka. Uga, siya Kuya Andre na dun.
Ito si Kuya Andre Adiela, yung Claret Zen girlfriend niya.
Pinad na ako ni Ate Ali, no? Tapos,
Kuya yung Adiela.
alam ko nag-green skin siya. Naka-green siya. Alam mo bakit? Nag-join siya kay Ate Ali noon na first. Naklaro kami ni Ate Ali noon na dress storm.
Oo, na-dress storm.
Yeah, if you don't know that, guys, mga lods pala. Okay. Don't kill me.
Ate Ali,
Kuya Andre, I think he's, What? Sino kayo nagkikill kay Kuya Andre?
Ha?
Sino kayo nagkikill kay Kuya Andre?
Sino nag-ano?
Nag-ano kay Kuya Andre? Sabi daw niya kay kanina, don't kill me. Uy, natago medyo. Tapos lalabas pa ako. Okay, guys. Mga lods, nagtatalk ako sa inyo, mga lods, ha.
Yes? Opo. Bukas pa hindi na naman.
Mga viewer. Okay. Hindi mo na magre-reveal ng face sa aking mukha. Yung kagaya kanina. Okay. Nag-call.
Okay, ako din.
Magiging focus wala sasabihin ay dadalawa kami.
Sa Ate Ellie.
Antokin pa Ate Ali. Kuya is hiding.
I thought I was innocent because I'm at the shop earlier. Sabi ko, hi Ate Ali.
May A yun.
Yeah. No. Okay. Hold up, I'm messing my ass.
Hi Ate Lee.
No! Na naman! Sama ko, guys. Oh, di ba kilala niya pati ako? Ay.
Galing.
Ano gagawin?
Hey!
Is she fan on Hello Kitty? Kasi I'm a fan on Hello Kitty.
I think, I'm not sure.
I have a stuffed Hello Kitty. Sasabihin ko kay Ate Ali, naka-vlog ako. Ano sasabihin? Naka-vlog ako. Yun na. Ano sinabi mo?
She vlogging.
Si vlogging, Sophie. Nag-YouTube siya. Saan na? No record. Ikaw sinabi na pa na. Wait lang, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, they cut off for 7 days spam jump. You know why? When, like, a fan goes on my YouTube, like, bro, that's spam jumping. Okay. Okay, guys. Mga lods pala. Inosente ako.
Uy, sabi ko ba magsabi? Whisper mo na sa kanila.
OMG, takot ako mga lods. Okay. Okay, I'm scared. I got my mommy on the hand. I have my mommy in the cage. Okay. Oh dang. Someone is killing. The moo boo boo. Okay. I don't know what I say that like in a cute voice. Oh, guys, I got killed.
Guys, it's me and I don't spam jump, okay?
Okay, guys. Okay, listen to me. See what she said. Wait, this is.
I don't
Ate
know.
Ali,
Jump, I only use space. Oh, Kuya Andre, I see you there hiding. Oh, wait, what? I win.
Very good, bestie. Okay, guys, say to the comments, congratulations to me.
Girl, this ain't my first time winning, okay?
She always wins. So said, girl, you the base on things. Yeah, I don't know what.
No, Vanny is better than me.
Ano? Iba?
Okay. Shout out to Vanny. Please notice me.
Okay.
I'm a big fan.
Tapos, guys, magpapa-shoutout muna ako. Okay? Shoutout
Kay
to...
Bella.
Wait lang. Shoutout to Ate Ali. Shoutout to Kuya Andre. Shoutout to Shira Macy.
Eh, bro,
Yan,
know
guys.
my full name.
Yeah.
Somebody wanna trade me? No, decline.
Okay, yun na guys sa mga shoutout. Kung gusto nyo mag-shoutout, comment na kayo na mag-shoutout ako sa inyo. So, mag-shoutout na tayo. Sa next video.
Okay, I'm here. 9:30 ako si sleep. Guys, 9:30 ako time mag-stop.
Okay. What time is it? Oh, it's 9:18. Okay. When I stop this video, I will stop. If you stop, I will stop this video. Kasi I'm bored when I don't have someone to talk with. In-upload ko na yung isang video.
Okay. Upload mo na lang to later.
Kita ko sa Ate Ali. O siya. Pinatay ako ni Ate Ali.
Si Ate Ali?
Pinatay ako. Galing ni Ate Ali.
Ay! No!
Ano na yan?
I was the sheriff and then she killed me. My hitbox.
Okay na nga. Guys, skip ko muna to para hindi medyo matagalan kaya. So, skip ko muna. Tatak muna kami.
No, it's okay. They can deal with it. We're gonna make them not
Alam mo,
bored.
anong pwede ng tapos nito? Hanggang 11 minutes lang to. Kasi pag mga 2 hours, alam mo na nangyayari. Hindi ko pa mananobler pa naman na. Kaya skip ko muna to, guys. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Skip ko muna. Guys, si Ate Ali na na.
Ay, nag-ano ka na ba? Inulit mo na?
Okay, skip ko naman ito, guys, ulit. Hanggang start ng round, mag-video ulit ako. Mga besties, mga lods,
Ako yung kulay pink na nakasakura.
Sakura. Ako naka-perfect.
Kapalit lang ako ng video.
Naka-perfect na ganun ako. I love my day.
Don't tell me you're the share.
No. Oh, what?
Oh, the murd!
Fuck! I can't even kill them. Oh, dang. I did. Oh gosh, let me just skip this again. Okay, skip. Girl, you're not playing this. You're playing ano.
No, I'm playing. Ano lang to. Ito lang yung tawag doon.
Okay.
Ito yung
Okay.
radio.
Okay.
Who is the murd?
Wait lang, skip ko na to. Skip. Okay, Lods. Nag-skip na ako. Mga Lods, naglalaro ulit kami. Tara, Hoy, bestie!
Hello.
Oh?
I'm gonna go to my hiding spot.
Okay.
You want to come with me?
Yeah, where are you?
Come, I'm down here.
Where?
Come.
Ah? Nice.
This mo.
Guys, if naglalaro kayo nito, dito kayo matago. Isang hint lang.
Yeah.
Oh? Bestie!
Uy, nasa ka. It was a trap.
Skip ko lang to, guys. Skip time. Okay, mga Lods. Finish na natin tong round na to. Hi, Kuya Andre.
And then I go bye-bye.
Yeah. Maybe go. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, guys. End ko na tong call.
What? No. After this round.
Hindi ako. Lods, ends ko muna to yung mga aking video kasi okay, bye-bye guys mga Lods. Like and subscribe.